Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I never thought I'd be making this video or saying this, but I want a play button. So yes, I'm a YouTuber now, and my goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. So I need your help. So all my students, do me a favor, help advertise me. And what do I mean by that? On your homepage on YouTube, I hope you build your YouTube channel just like I did. You can separate your categories. I'll show you on my homepage. And then you can have a section where you support other YouTubers. And then you can include myself. Please, please, please. That would be great. I was hoping the first play button was like 10,000. That's kind of more of like a realistic goal, being that I'm almost halfway there. But looking at this website, maybe you can help me. It looks like it's 100,000. So that's the Silver Creator Award. I could be wrong. I don't know if there's any other rewards, but it looks like it looks like that's the lowest level. All right, so I'm gonna show you as far as my homepage. So this is the YouTube TCC21. That's my homepage. Usually I showcase like a YouTube short of a business that I recently visited, what it looks like inside, all my videos. You know, I have a big section on TestOut, which are all members only. And then I talk about businesses, different member shout outs. So I kind of put them in different categories, and you can have up to like 12 categories here on your YouTube homepage. So I would love for you guys to have some sort of maybe channels you support, and then you can include myself. So I include my members. So these are all channels right here, student member channels. We support you, subscribe to them, always 100%. So if you take a look, I probably have like 300 students who have YouTube channels. A lot of them are right here. So these are like the first 10 are definitely members. And then I have current students. If you click on view all, you'll see my entire list. And like I said, it's probably like over 300 students and other channels that I support. So if you can do the same, that would be great. And then what I do, and you can also, please support my students. So you'll see I'm subscribed to all of them. So if you're watching this video, go ahead. It's not easy being a YouTuber, especially as a student. So go ahead and subscribe to Hispanic Panic, Tiana's YouTube channel. She's a very talented basketball player. And if you view all, you'll see, I know all these students. A lot of these are like, some are even like my family members, a second channel. And then of course I do a lot of Donors Choose. I love Donors Choose, where I used to work in the Children's Village over there. And then there's a lot. There's a ton of channels. So if you have the time, just some of them only have one subscriber. It means the world. I was there one time. Every subscriber counts. I was excited when I hit 10, and then when I hit my first 100. So it does take time, but with consistency, you can do the same. All right, so there's the bell. Thanks for watching, and that's your homework for the weekend. Help me get to my goal and help advertise my channel. All right, let's do this. Till next time, thanks for watching.